Some of you living just as crooked.
Amen.
Come on.
Straddling both sides of the fence.
Yeah.
One side clubbing, one side choir. Put it back.
Ouch.
God ain't pleased. He ain't pleased. And the problem that you need to understand is that when God ain't pleased, He's not going to sit back and let you have and do things your way.
Right.
God sends a manservant to say, wait a minute, let's get this thing right. Because if we can't get it right, you're going to have a problem. 3 years denying the problem. In denial. It ain't me. It ain't nothing I'm doing. It ain't nothing I'm doing. This smoking ain't starting this.
My God.
Denying the problem. This shacking ain't making it happen. That ain't what making me live like this.
My God.
Me being unfaithful to my wife ain't denying the problem. And the problem is, some of y'all say, well, I ain't doing all that. Well, you lying.
Come on. Come on now. Come on.
My God, my
I
God.
ain't lying. Well, you mean?
Come on now. Call it over.
You trick folk.
Come on.
You use people.
My God.
Come on.
I need to leave them alone,
Come on.
Get
Come
on.
on. Come on.
Keep it
Come
real.
on.
You take advantage of folk.
Come on.
Come on, man.
And what you want me to do is you want me to charge the man that's cheating on his wife, but don't want me to charge you for taking advantage of something.
Come on, man.
Now we'll be real.
God, my God.
You want to point your fingers
Yeah.
instead of curving.
Come on now.
Well, that mean though, where's the point now?
I like this.
Time we so involved in other folk lives.
That's
that we
right.
Involved in
That's
our own
right.
lives.
That's the truth.
Can't
That's
stand
right.
somebody tell me to get myself together and I look at them.
Come on.
Yes.
Come on. Come on now. That's it. Right there. Right there. Right there.
You must want me to close my eyes. That's what you want me to do. When you tell me to get myself together, and I look at you and you all bent up and looking all crazy.
Come on. That's right.
You know what I'm saying? I gotta drop one up in there for that. And since you dropped that, let me just go and finish this up.
Come on.
And let me tell you something. If you would just get yourself together, we all will be all right.
That's right. That's right.
If we all just work on us.
That's right.
Somebody called me this week and said, Pastor, somebody said, I said, what do you think if I, what you mean? What do I think? What do you think? What you worried about what I think for? But people always, well, why are you worried about what people
That's
say
right.
about you?
That's right.
We got to learn how to focus on our own.
That's right.
See, because what we got to realize is that we all got Ahab.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's
We
right.
all got an Ahab in us
That's
that's trying to do against God's will.
That's right.
We all got issues and problems. Ain't nobody talking
Come
back
on.
to me.
That's right. Come on.
We gotta contain Ahab. So watch this. Let me get to this text. Wait. So Elijah says, God tells Elijah, look, I need you to go talk to Ahab again. After 3 years of just famine, God said, what I want you to do is show yourself to the king. Watch this. I need you to see this because this is going to be a blessing to you. Listen. God said, I don't want you to necessarily say that. Just go show yourself to him. Let me share about that. Yeah, Miss Cheryl. I'm sorry, Miss Cheryl. I didn't think you were going to be here today. You told me. Praise God. Miss Cheryl is here. Give her a hand. I didn't even get like that, you know, easy. Yeah, she threw me off. Look, what happened is Elijah had to get up and show. God said, just show yourself to him. And what God was saying is, remind him. I want you to just go back and let him see you. And what he'll do is, when he see you, he'll be reminded of 3 years ago when you told him he needed to get himself together. So Elijah showed himself to Ahab, but Ahab was in the front of many kings. And Elijah said to the people that Israel, that Ahab was king over, he said, how long are you going to be between two opinions?
Yeah. Come on.
He said to him, he said, Elijah said, how long are you going to play with this? See, because you don't have to be in the situation that you're in, but you want to play with God like God has not done what he's done for you. And when you start playing with God, you don't understand who you actually playing
Come on.
with.
Okay.
God is no game. So how long, if you want to serve God, serve God. If you're going to be an enemy of God, be an enemy of God. You want to serve Baal, which is another God, serve Baal.
That's right.
Go ahead. Let me show you something then. Let me teach you. I'm going to show you who God. If God be God, he's going to show himself today. And see, let me tell you something about God. God ain't trying to play with you.
That's right.
And if he has to show you who he is, he will. Oh, ain't nobody. I heard thank you for saying yes, he will. If God got to show you that he God, don't think for 1 second that he's afraid of you.
Amen.
Please come. I done seen God wipe our whole families. Can I be real, honey?
Yeah.
Can I be really real? Turn that off.